Hello everybody, it's me Asawang Filipina. So today I'm gonna show you the tripod. At the same time, we're gonna unbox a pair of shoes from SM. So I'm here in my shoe closet. So this is my collection of shoes. So for today, we're gonna unbox shoes that I bought in BACOLOD City, SM. So I have a pair of shoes today that we're gonna unbox. So hi, and I'm here now in my shoe cabinet. So this is my collections within 4 months. And then for today, we're gonna unbox a pair of shoes from is M Bacolod. So I drive there, and then I have these shoes. This is a sponsored shoes, but not a sponsored video. So my all of my videos are not sponsored. So this one is giving by sponsor, but I saw already what's inside, and I'm gonna show you. So before we start, I would like to say thank you everybody and to all of my followers, my old followers and my new followers. So thank you so much and also for joining the membership in my channel. So thank you everyone and then okay, let's get started. Shoes. So this is the shoes that I purchased in SM Mall in Bacolod and the price of the shoes is 1,599 something like that. And it's really beautiful. So this is the shoes and we're gonna make pictures. It's really beautiful and I'm gonna show you the fitting of the shoes. I'm gonna show you the tripod from SM. So the tripod is only 1,000
Open,
pesos.
then una front,
Mm.
then lock.
Ah, okay. Lock na siya.
Loosen for tilting up and down, then loosen sa side, tilting left and right.
Sige.
Up and down, left and right. Then, nag-shoot ka mang landscape mode. Mag-shoot ka portrait, loosen, slide, portrait mode, then lock.
Wow.
So, portrait na siya. Oh. Kung makaigo mo smartphone.
That is our quick unboxing video for today. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video and then of course more shoes to come. If you want to donate some shoes, just message me to my Facebook page, Curse Vlog, and then my size is size 6. So hope to see you there later on with more driving videos to come in my channel and my membership. So that would be all and love you all. Bye.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.